The last time that Kdkbeauty and Pretty and Pay would be, because I made a lot of mistakes, and at that point my business online was very successful. I am so proud of myself. What am I doing? We've been waiting on the shipment to come. It's been delayed. I just got back. I got back from Vegas. Today is Tuesday. The shipment just arrived, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me to go get it. Here are the packages. One of them is literally split open, but she's here. So we got the dolly, and Desmond's gonna put him, well, I'm gonna have him, but we're gonna put it on the dolly, and yeah. Ooh, that's the XL. The XL heavy. We got all of the bags on here. We got the XL and the standard. This is the biggest shipment I've had, and y'all gotta think these bags are so skinny, so this is a lot of inventory. Okay. Okay, we got all of the stuff. It's going in the back seat. Got the goods, y'all. I'm back at home. I picked up the shipment. I have 4 boxes, as you guys saw. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox them. In this shipment, I have 2 new business bags. Also have 5 promo pouches. So yeah, they launch this Friday at 6 p.m. Eastern. So if you're interested, make sure you guys are on my website, 6 p.m. Eastern. I have been loving these little pouches to match with their bags. And girl, they're only $4.99 before any discount codes, coupon codes, anything like that. So if you guys can get your hands on 1 or 2, I highly suggest it. Keeping up with your business supplies, all of your business essentials, business cards, thank you cards, like little cute pens, notebooks, whatever you need to, you know, just like promote your business. That's the whole point of them. These promo pouches are for you. So that's exactly why I made them, girl. So I'm going to go ahead and stop rambling, show you guys my restock, because as you guys can see, I'm running low on bags. So I'm going to fill this stock area up, show you guys the new bags, and show you guys the promo pouches. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm like literally so excited right now because y'all love the XL black bags that I launched. These are the standard size post office random bags in black. So this is what they look like. Super cute, super cute. And this black is a little bit more see-through than the other style. The other style is more of a matte black. So yeah, this one is more of a see-through black. And I freaking love these. So I only have purple and pink. Here's the black. And let's go ahead and see what else is in here. I don't want to take them all out the box yet until I'm ready to go ahead and organize them. So the rest of this box is all restock. I see pink, purple, and blue. Like I said, I have 4 more boxes, so we're gonna go ahead and move to the next box. And I think I'm gonna do a whole video on me organizing my restock items and everything like that. So stay tuned for that. We have our second box. Literally, y'all, this whole box right here is all purple and brown, and I have 1 pink one in here. So this is all restock. Moving on to the third box. Okay, so there's another box in here. This one looks like it got damaged. The moment we've all been waiting on. I see a bunch of restock. And then I also see the promo pouches. So we have some black and purple. We have some more purple. Ooh, I see the new business bag too. It's so pretty. We got some pink. We got some more pink. We got more black. We got some blue. We got some more black. Okay, guys, so this is all of the XL bags. I also have 2 surprise bags that won't be launching this Friday, but I have 2 bags for a sneak peek of what's to come for next month. So they should be in this box, and I'm so excited. Okay, so we have some more regular ones. I see the little, okay, these are the new ones. These are the surprise ones I didn't even tell you guys about. So I'm gonna put those to the side and we're gonna look at those in a minute. But this box is full of all XL bags and some standard. I bought so much, y'all. So go shop. Let's start with the promo pouches. So I'm gonna go ahead and oh my gosh. These are the cutest things ever. These are so cute. So they just look like this. This is so cute. Looks like that. So cute. Okay, so we got the pink. Let's do the purple. The purple. Look at these. Y'all cannot tell me these aren't just so adorable. Look at them. Like what? Okay. Let's do black. The black is so cute. And again, this is not the matte black like the XL one. This is more of a see-through black. This is the same black as the post office run black. So super cute. And you'll be able to see, you know, everything. So adorable. Look at this. So adorable. And then last but not least, look at this. Look at this brown. Look at that, y'all. I am so proud of myself. What am I doing? Oh my gosh, y'all. Look at these. Okay, we're going to fill them up. I'm, of course, going to show y'all like how I fill them up and everything like that. Next, I want to show you guys the 2 bags that are launching this Friday. The sea green I Start the Businesses bag with the white handles. What? We got this is the first bag with white handles. Let's go ahead and open this one up. Go ahead and open it up. Okay. So this is how the bag looks. Oh my gosh, it's a sea green color. It was between the sea green and the lime green that we wanted to do first. And of course I extra. And it was like 50%, but then most of you guys are saying sea green at the last minute. So I went with the sea green first. Ain't she gorgeous? Like that is such a pretty green. Like that's such a pretty color. You cannot tell me otherwise. You can't. Let's go ahead and look at the black. Now we have the black post office run. And again, this black is not like the I Started the Businesses. This one is more of a see-through color. Isn't she so pretty? We love. So cute. So if you guys like the black but you didn't like that it was matte, I have the see-through ones available for you guys as well. Oh my gosh, I'm so proud of myself. And also guys, this is the last time that Kdkbeauty and Pretty and Pay will be printed on my bags, anything of mine, because I am rebranding. My new name, everything like that will be changed and launched hopefully October, so next month. Make sure you guys stay tuned for that. I've been like, if you guys watch my Instagram story or just like pay attention to like little things, you guys definitely know, you know, or you could see me like doing things that, you know, that I didn't announce, but it was being done behind the scenes. This is the last time, so if you guys want to get it with Pretty and Paid on it, this is the last drop that will have Pretty and Paid. All of my restock bags that just came, all of those have Pretty and Paid and Kdkbeauty on them as well, but my next shipments will be changed. So yeah, just wanted to put that out there. So basically guys, all of these products are launching Friday at 6 p.m. Eastern. $4.99, $19.99, and $24.99. Now, these are the surprise 2 bags that I wanted to show you guys. So, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Y'all went crazy over this on Instagram. Y'all went crazy. And YouTube. Y'all literally went crazy. So, she's coming. And again, it won't have Kdkbeauty down here when they launch. It'll have another name. So, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, stay tuned for those, y'all. Stay tuned. Okay, so the next surprise one, this one is not complete. This one is just a sample. It's not done yet at all. Like it actually is like a defect, but I asked to be sent it anyway. So your girl will be releasing bags for pop-up shops. This all will be changed. It would be perfect. It'll be just like the other bags. But I wanted to give you guys a sneak peek. Pop-up shops are very important on my channel. When I made the first pop-up shop video, there wasn't a lot of videos out there for us. Now you can find hundreds and hundreds, which is so good because like literally I made my video after I had did my first pop-up shop, and I did so many things wrong. Like I did my first pop-up shop in 2017. I spent thousands of dollars. I was literally showcased in the mall for a whole month, y'all. A whole month. And it was just a lot of work. It was a lot of work, and I was like so young. That was 2017. It just seemed like so long ago, and it seemed like I was such like an amateur. And at that point, my business online was very, very successful, and I decided to do a pop-up shop. Where I come from, there wasn't pop-up shop events and stuff like how they are like in Atlanta and stuff. So yeah, when I moved, I decided to go ahead and create content for that. I did like a fake pop-up shop video, and then I did vlogs with pop-up shops and things like that. And everything was on a budget, and it's just so, you know, close to my heart because I made a lot of mistakes with that pop-up shop. A lot of things went wrong. I had to pay for insurance. I had a booth. It was just it was very crazy. It was definitely like a different, I feel like once I experienced that, it definitely opened my mind up even bigger, and I knew that I had to like move in order to do what I needed to do because it just wasn't working where I was at. So I said all that to say your girl's coming out with pop-up shop business bags. So if you guys go to the pop-up shop, or they call them markets frequently, or it's literally pop-up shop season, literally Black Friday, holiday season, there's a lot of pop-up shops everywhere. So I made some bags for them, and I hope you guys love them. They will launch next month as well. Like I said, this is completely defect, literally a sample. Like I just, yeah. But I wanted to go ahead and show you guys, you know, just to let you guys know what's coming. I have a lot coming. My name will be changed. I talk about this on my story a lot, and I don't want you guys to miss out on my email list. I don't want you guys to miss out on none of that. I think I'm going to be doing free vendors on my email list, but it will probably be announced on Instagram first. So make sure you guys are watching my Instagram story. Like, make sure you guys are watching my story. I have so much coming for us business owners. I'm not trying to scam y'all. I'm not trying to sell y'all a dream. I'm not trying to do none of that. I'm just creating products that I wish existed for us entrepreneurs, because entrepreneurship now, there is way more than there was when I first started. There's way more resources. There's way more people to look up to. There's just way more content available now, but I feel like there's still a lot missing. And I hope you guys shop my launch on Friday. It's this Friday, girl, at 6 p.m. I know this video is late. Everything came late. I just got back from Vegas. It's crazy. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what the promo pouches look like with them filled up, and we're just going to go from there. I personally don't have business cards, so if you guys have business cards, this would be even better. But I do have these like little cute postcards, and then I have my like little cute thank you cards, postcards, whatever you want to call them. I have a few lash boxes that I'm going to be using to show you guys, some little glasses, and then also 2 little markers, pens, and then a few little baggies. So I'm just showing you guys what you can put in here. You can put like little cute notebooks. I'll go get some of those tomorrow and show you guys how they look with like notebooks in them and everything like that. I just want you guys to stay organized, especially with your business essentials. I'm going to take some of my postcards and then put them in here. And as you guys can see, they fit perfectly, and these postcards are big. If you've ordered from me, you guys know how big they are. So then we're just going to put a few of those inside, and I like how you can see through it, so it's really cute. And then a little cute Sharpie, and then we're just going to close that up. Cute little promo pouch. Who wouldn't want this? Like, what? That's so pretty to me. Like, what? Okay, guys, so now I'm going to do the turquoise. This one, I'm going to put some thank you cards. And then I'm also going to put some lashes. Just act like there's lashes in there. And I'm going to put some more little cute postcards. So if you're on the go, you never know. You never know. And then you can put this right in your business bag, and this stuff will stay neat. It won't be all thrown around or anything like that. And if you don't have a business bag, you can just put this like in your little car console on your desk. Just sit it there, put it in your purse, your bag, whatever. Super cute. I love it. So if somebody hits you up like, hey, can you bring some lashes to school tomorrow? Da, da, da. Can you bring some lashes to work? I want to buy some from you. Cute little pouch. Super cute, y'all. Come on. It's super cute. I'm going to fill up these really quick, and then I'm going to show you guys what they look like. I have all of the bags done. We have the pink. I have a marker, some cards in here. It's a thick amount of cards in here. You can fill these up, but don't fill them up too much because you do not want to break the zipper. I have like a little cute little bag in there, a permanent marker, and some promo cards. And in the purple one, glasses, cute little thank you cards, postcards. In this one I have an eyelash box. Act like there's eyelashes in there. And then also my business essentials. And this one I have my business cards, some lip gloss, and also an eyelash box. So as you can see, they can get full. I don't even have them pulled out all the way. So as you can see, you can get some in there. But like I said, be careful because I do not want you guys to break the zipper. So that is the promo pouches. I hope you guys love them. They are only $4.99. Use the code YouTube P for money off. These will be specifically for the promo pouches, and then for anything else, you guys can use the discount code YouTube for a percentage off. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want more content on the new business bags that are launching, the sea green, that money green, seeing green, and the black post office run. If you guys would like those, they launch on Friday. I will have more content available on TikTok and on Instagram. So make sure you guys are following me and check me out. But thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. I appreciate that so much, and I'll talk to you next time, boss friends. Bye.